to Arsal Academy. Today, we're going to explore another exciting vowel sound, I. We'll learn how I sounds like the long I, just like in the word tie. So, let's get started. Tie. He wore a red tie to the wedding. Pie. I baked an apple pie for dessert. Dye. Flowers dye without water. Lie. Never tell a lie to your parents. Flies. The bird flies high in the sky. Tried. She tried her best on the test. Spies. The movie was about secret spies. Denied. He denied breaking the window. Replied. She replied with a smile. Cried. The baby cried all night. Thanks for watching. Well done, friends. Now you know lots of words with the long vowel I sound. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Arsal Academy for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.